Imagine a right triangle hiding a beautiful secret. We consider a triangle ABC that is right-angled at vertex A. From vertex A, we draw the altitude to the opposite side BC. The foot of this perpendicular is a point noted D. The length BD is equal to 9 units, and the length CD is equal to 16 units. As shown in the figure, point D is the perpendicular projection of A onto side BC. Our goal is to determine the length AD, the length AB, and the length AC. We first look at triangles ABD and ACD. Since point D is the perpendicular projection of A onto BC, we have the measure of angle ADB is equal to the measure of angle ADC, which is equal to 90 degrees. We note this as equality number 1. In triangle ABD, the sum of the measures of angles ABD and BAD is equal to 90 degrees. In triangle ACD, the sum of the measures of angles CAD and BAD is equal to 90 degrees. From these two equalities, we deduce that the measure of angle CAD is equal to the measure of angle ABD. We note this as equality number 2. In triangle ACD, the sum of the measures of angles CAD and ACD is equal to 90 degrees. Since the sum of the measures of angles CAD and BAD is also equal to 90 degrees, we deduce that the measure of angle ACD is equal to the measure of angle BAD. We note this as equality number 3. From equalities number 1, 2, and 3, we conclude that triangles ABD and ACD are similar. This allows us to write the ratio. The length BD divided by the length AD is equal to the length AD divided by the length CD. This implies that the square of the length AD is equal to the product of the lengths BD and CD. By substitution, we obtain AD equals the square root of 16 multiplied by 9, which equals the square root of 144, so AD is equal to 12 units. Now to compute it, we apply the Pythagorean theorem to triangle ABD. So the square of the length AB is equal to the square of the length AD plus the square of the length BD. By substitution, we obtain AB equals the square root of 12 squared plus 9 squared, which equals the square root of 225. This gives AB equals 15 units. Now to compute AC, we apply the Pythagorean theorem to triangle ACD. So the square of the length AC is equal to the square of the length AD plus the square of the length CD. By substitution, we get AC equals the square root of 12 squared plus 16 squared, which equals the square root of 400. So AC is equal to 20 units. With only 2 given segments on the hypotenuse, we were able to reconstruct the entire triangle. The altitude unlocked everything. AD equals 12, B equals 15, and AC equals 20. This is a perfect example of how geometry rewards patience and structure. If you learned from this elegant geometric trick, give the video a like, subscribe for more math insights, and comment below if you spotted the similarity argument before we did. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today. See you in the next challenge.